Hello and welcome to this video session. Today I'm going to talk about Finsapient Institute and what and how we can help students, especially in the field of accounting, finance, and those who are struggling to make progress in their career. So Finsapient has been set up with after almost a thought of a decade to come up with a training institute and a model which can help students get the job placement and also support in their career in the long term. So what we did is that I and 10 other colleagues and professionals in the banking and financial industry, we got together and we started Finsapient Institute. So my name is Nidhish Singh. I am vice president in JP Morgan and heading the transformation business. Prior to that, I was with SS&C Technology, working as a head of operation and director. I also worked with many other Fortune 500 companies like Infosys, Citibank, and I have worked in 3-4 different countries, including UK, Ireland, Singapore, etc. So together with me, 10 other colleagues from the industry also joined me to set up Finsapient. They all have multiple chartered qualification. They have experience between 16 to 20 years. They all are not only one chartered accountant. They have qualified with different qualifications, CA, ACCA, CAS, cost accounting, so on and forth. And they are all working at a very, very senior leadership position. They are vice president, director, managing director in various leading organizations across the world. They are also based in various countries like UAE, Singapore, UK. So we have a very diverse pool and group of professionals who can help you in different ways. So of course, they are tutors as well, they are faculties as well. And these professionals who have set up this together, we are not just business owner, we are faculties as well. So we have set up this institute and we are also teaching as well. Unlike many other institutions where the entrepreneurs have set up the business and when it comes to teaching and providing the support to students, they typically hire people from the market and they don't even know what is going on the floor or when the teaching starts. However, in our case, we have set up Finsapient with a very, very different vision to support students, provide them very practical hands-on experience, provide a very pragmatic approach to study, help them with our decades and decades of experience in multinational companies in different countries. So when we talk about, say, any financial model or business model, when we talk about the audit subjects, we give you the first-hand experience, what we faced at workplace. And of course, we have multiple chartered qualification as well, so we can also give you a great detail of theories. All our faculties not only have corporate experience, but they also have academic and teaching experience. So if I were to summarize some of the strengths of Finsapient, so faculties, we are the founders as well. Okay, so faculties are founders and founders are faculties. Very unique, right? As compared to many other institutions. Multiple chartered qualifications, have training experience, and also corporate experience. So this is the strength of the faculty. With this skill set, and all these group of faculties are working at a very senior level, so they have different sort of understanding and expertise, so they can help you in preparing for interviews. Because we are ourselves, each of us have taken almost 800 to 1000 interviews. Collectively, all the faculty have taken almost 8 to 10,000 interviews. So based on those expertise and skill, we can train you how to appear for interviews. Plus, we also have the contacts and network. We can help you get the placement, connect to the right people, connect to the right human resource professionals, right? We can help you in the supply and demand. We can give you the right contacts. And the contact has immense value in today's professional world, because just knowing the subject matter may not be enough often, because you also need to know who to contact and where to go. So sometimes who is also important in addition to what. So while we prepare for ACCA, CFA, CIMA, and IFRS, and many short-term courses and qualification, we also help you going to the right person and right destination. This is where we are again unique, because we are not just a training institute who have hired the faculties who are freshers or do not have their own network. We have the faculties who are leaders of the market. They are already leading the companies and the massive team. They can help you in getting the job, which is a critical part of our offering. Of course, we cannot guarantee anything, but we can always support with our immense support, immense experience and expertise, plus our own network. So that's where we are completely different. Additionally, soft skill and interpersonal skill set. When it comes to how to present, how to talk and negotiate, when it comes to projecting yourself in a positive manner in the interview and in the workplace, when it comes to possessing executive presence, many of professionals still they don't understand, they don't know what is executive presence. We can train our students. Of course, those who are pursuing ACCA, they get all these facilities and this training free because they are students of the institute. So we train them on executive presence, what is fintech, what is coming in the job market, how to prepare the resume, and how to respond in interviews. And we'll not wait for your interviews to get scheduled next week. We will start preparing you regularly on how to respond to interviews question and how to really sit down, how to make the eye contacts, etc., so that by the time interview calls start to come, you are already well polished professionals and everything goes seamlessly and swiftly. Okay, so that's another strength that that you will get while you are studying with Finsapient, and we'll make you a complete professional. While we are teaching you for various accounting qualification, we also focus on your overall growth. And that growth, your grooming, your polishing, your communication skill set, on which we will be also looking at and focusing. It will help you get the right placement at the right time, and it will be helpful lifelong, because nowadays employers, actually we are also having those kind of opinion, and we are constantly interacting with candidates. Employers nowadays, like us, value a lot on the energy, enthusiasm, and overall presentation, the responses of the candidates. We just don't focus on the technical answer. We look at the candidates in a holistic manner, and those kind of requirement that we understand better. We are continuously conducting interviews of various professionals, so we prepare our students from those perspectives, using that experience. When we sit on the other side of the table as a decision maker, we also train our students from those expertise. That's why your chances of growth, and the overall development which will be quite important for you, will be much higher with Finsapient. And we are the founder, we are the faculty as well together. That's why we can help you better in growing your career. In case of any question, if you have any doubt on how to face interview, who to contact, and how to make the progress in the career, you can always reach out to us. You can email on connect@finsapient.com. So CONNECT@finsapient.com, or you can call and WhatsApp on the following number: 9560381799. However, if you need any other career advice or any question you have about the future, how the business world is developing, would there be any insecurity because of the fintech or artificial intelligence, we are also giving session on that. So please do not hesitate. Feel free to give us a shout, WhatsApp, call, drop an email. Don't be shy. It's your career. It is in your hand. You have to design your career. You have to choose your career. We'll be definitely there to help you and make you a complete professional. So best of luck from our side, and look forward to hear from you more. Thank you so much.